Hi, my name's Chris, and in this video I'll show you how to install your DuraGuard toe guard with steer wheels on your pallet jack. The toe guard is available in two different configurations. You can get a simple fully with steer wheels, and you can also get it with in a kit where you use your own steer wheels, original steer wheels on your pallet jack. Okay, we'll start by turning the jack upside down. Start by removing the bolt between the steer wheels. Remove the old steer wheel assembly. And if your pump stem is open like you see here, this toe guard can be installed with one bolt installation. If not, refer to our video of installing the other toe guard. Position the toe guard in place with the tape facing up away from the pump assembly. Put the bolt in place, securing it. Tighten the bolt up with two 13mm wrenches. Okay. Turn the jack back over. And lastly, you'll want to measure the distance of your guard from the ground. The ideal distance from the ground is about 5/8 of an inch, but you're good between 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch, and we're right at 5/8, so we're pretty good there.